Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ChainGPT token. Ticker symbol is CGPT. This token is being listed on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there's been a lot of popular GPT tokens out there. I had a comment, I think it was yesterday or today, a viewer saying that you should compare the tokens. Like there's ARB GPT that just came out that's very popular. There's a whole bunch of them that are very popular. And now we have ChainGPT is out as well. So I don't know, whoever viewer that was, I don't know if I will get around to the comparison video. It's a great idea, but there is just so many of these tokens coming out every day. It's hard to keep up with even the new tokens, let alone go back and review old tokens. So this one, ChainGPT, is being listed April 10th, 12 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do to basically get this token is simply go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search CGPT, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. And like I said, April 10th, 12 o'clock UTC time is when it gets listed. So they have a total supply of 1 billion CGPT tokens. They have their block explorer on here. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. And they actually only have 7 holders here according to their BSC scan. So it looks like MEXC Global is probably their first listing, I would assume. It'll probably might get other listings right at the exact same time, but this token is a very brand new token. On their BSC scan, you can also find a contact email, blog articles. Their Twitter is @chain_GPT. They have a GitHub on here, a Telegram, a LinkedIn, Discord, full white paper, which you can find at docs.chaingpt.org. And they're also listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Their official webpage, chaingpt.org, 18 decimal places on this token. So what is this all about here? Unleash the power of blockchain AI with ChainGPT, an advanced AI model explicitly designed for blockchain technology and crypto-related topics. It uses the latest algorithms and high-speed computing capabilities to address challenging issues in the blockchain and crypto space. Using ChainGPT, users may quickly obtain knowledge and information that they require. With many other unique features, designs for individuals, developers, and businesses, ChainGPT is an essential tool for all blockchain space. Among its unique features, blockchain and crypto information, no-code smart contract generator, smart contract auditor, code debugger, code to words, documentation creator, chart analysis, and technical analysis, AML features, blockchain analytics, on-chain live data, source of news, and much more. By creating the most advanced AI model, we offer users unlimited use cases to which ChainGPT can be applied. Furthermore, our SDK and API service makes it possible to develop new applications powered by ChainGPT to integrate them into existing ones. ChainGPT is backed by the CGPT utility token, which is required to access various AI tools and products powered by ChainGPT, so it's playing a significant role in the ecosystem of ChainGPT. So here's a quick overview of what it has to offer. Number one is the AI chatbot. So the ChainGPT AI chatbot is a conversational AI-powered assistant that was designed specifically for blockchain technology and crypto. Whether you're an individual, developer, business, ChainGPT can assist you in a wide range of tasks: no-code, smart contract programming, debugging, market analysis, guidance, trading, and more. The beta version is currently live and it's free. Check it out, and they have a link, app.chaingpt.org. So they have the Dev Assistant, or the Dev Assist, is an open-sourced browser extension that provides users with a comprehensive understanding of smart contract interactions. They have the AI-generated news. So ChainGPT offers AI-powered news service that automates generating news articles in blockchain and the crypto space. It's designed to be up-to-date with accurate information, the latest trends. And we have the AI-generated NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens created based on prompts using AI-powered algorithms. These NFTs are unique and can be used for various applications such as digital art, in-game items, and digital collectibles. They have the AI trading bot. So the AI trading bot is an AI-powered trading bot that will automatically analyze market data and make trading decisions on behalf of the users. And ChainGPT Layer 1 Blockchain Virtual Machine, the next generation virtual machine that offers a unique combination of EVM compatibility and on-chain AI inference. So they have a roadmap on here as well. Very lengthy roadmap, it looks like. I'll just go over it quickly here. So the idea of ChainGPT was born: team creation, design, and planning the AI model. ChainGPT advanced AI model development, then AI model research, testing, improvement, pitching to big tech companies, founders, attracting support from early investors, development of chatbot based on ChainGPT's AI model, research paper, V1 white paper. So then next we have the chatbot prototype version, staking and farming dApp. We got API SDK, iOS and Android release with the CGPT supporting wallet, release Python-based ChainGPT bot for Telegram, Discord, and Slack, DAO voting system for token holders, the Dev Assistant release, AI smart contract auditor, Ask Crypto People add-on to ChainGPT, prompt marketplace, then the ChainGPT news, and then we got utility release, smart contract audit, security report, token private sale, public sale, token launch, marketing team formation, community growth, documentation, V2 white paper, bug bounty program, ambassador program, survey and user feedback, research, partnership announcement, expand the team. If you want to work with them, you can apply, it says as well. Then the DAO formation, AI NFT generator dApp, and then web wallet, AI models, tools, explorer of the ChainGPT blockchain, layer 1 blockchain design, wallet extension, wallet app for iOS and Android, custom remix, ChainGPT blockchain, wormhole bridge, decentralized exchange for ChainGPT tokens, and then mainnet release of the blockchain. Now they have way more information that you could check out that's on their document section at docs.chaingpt.org. And like I said, this token gets listed on MEXC Global on April 10th at 12 o'clock UTC time. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? What do you think about it compared to the other GPT tokens that came out recently, like ARB, GPT, etc.? And like this video and subscribe for daily crypto videos. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.